Well, hi everyone, and welcome to the further adventures of Grindy the Class 47. Well, that's what it's going to be known as. It's weird. In one direction, perfectly silky smooth. Have a listen. But in the other direction, very strange, isn't it? Smooth. Grindy. Now if I open the speed up a little bit, there we are. Still hear something, but nowhere near as bad. It's only when it slows down and then not always. Now when I had the body off, I did lubricate the worm ends over the bogies, and I put a drop of oil on the prop shafts where they connect to the flywheels and at the other end. But because of all the trouble in opening the loco, I'm absolutely loath to do it again. But this grinding noise is horrible, isn't it? So my question is, what to do? Do I risk opening it up and doing a full strip down, dropping the bogies to get some oil on the motor bearings, which is what I would guess the noise is coming from? Or is this something that may run in? Now it's had more than the recommended running in time, so it's pretty silky in the opposite direction. And if I get the speed up, not too bad that way. What do you guys reckon? Cheers, Em.